We're actually going down to a classics car place in a minute and we'll have a look. Matt's being told off again for making too much noise. Ha ha! So we're convoying down to this classics cars place. We've got a nice little convoy, so you can see Phil's MX-5, Matt, another MX-5, me, there's a nice RS Clio behind the thing, and yeah, a bunch of really, really cool cars.
Oh, seriously, what is this place?
This is heaven.
Oh, so clean. This. Oh. See you looking at that. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I got this in for sale yesterday, so this is as fresh as they come.
You won't see me stop, no, you won't see me quit. I'm gonna make it to the top if it's the last thing I did. Never catch me, man, I'm gone, cause I'll be working off the grid. Grinding through all the pain, I said I'd do it and I did. I'm the type to work until my hands fucking bleed. I'm the type to fight when others fall into their knees. I'm the type to ask for more pain, give it please. Cause on the other side of pain is everything I fucking need. I got a hunger inside of me, a flame ignites entirely. I work daily quietly to build a perfect dynasty, a place where my mind is free from the chains of society.
Oh, I like a Lambo, mate.
The yellow one.
Yeah, I didn't see it. We'll go look at that. I like the Lambo, but if you said pick a car here and you can take it home, it'd be TVR.
Yeah, this Aston and then the E-Type.
Yeah. TVR.
All day long.
Yeah.
Gone in 60 seconds.
Yeah.
What do you want?
You've seen the plate?
Yeah, I saw that, yeah, exactly.
Matt's like, oh no, I don't get it, it's just a Lambo. It's like, what?
Very, very cool car.
On the other side of pain is everything I fucking need. Till my hands fucking bleed. Till my hands fucking bleed. You won't see me stop, no, you won't see me quit. I'm gonna make it to the top if it's the last thing I did. Never catch me, man, I'm gone, cause I'll be I said I'm good. You won't see me stop, no, you won't see me quit. I'm gonna make it to the top if it's the last thing I did. Never catch me, man, I'm gone, cause I'll be working off the grid. Grinding through all the pain, I said I'd do it and I did. Till my hands fucking bleed.
I mean, I think everybody should keep one as a pet, like little Paul. Yeah. But